Today we will be cooking chicken pathia. Majority of the ingredients are here. However, I have kept some ingredients hidden from here. I will be revealing them to you as I cook this chicken pathia dish throughout the video. So the ingredients are here. What we have got chicken thighs, about 600 grams. We've got some tomato puree. We've got some fresh tomato, coriander, bay leaf, chili, one finely diced onion. We've got ginger and garlic paste, and we've got our spices here, which is the Gram Masala, mix powder, chili powder, turmeric. We've also got one of our special ingredients here, which is the tamarind sauce. I've been soaking this in hot water for the last hour. Generally what you get the tamarind pods like this, and then when you break the shell, they turn into, well, you get this inside it, and you just soak that in the water, and every now and again just give it a stir. And we've also got mango chutney here, which is going to make our chicken pathia sweet, as our chicken pathia dish is sweet, sour and hot. So we've got all the ingredients here. So don't forget, we've got some secret ingredients that we will be revealing throughout the video. So make sure you keep an eye out for that. So bay leaf goes in. Now this chicken pathia we're going to make from scratch, so you don't need any base gravy. Here we go. About 1.5 spoons of ginger and garlic paste. Add salt to your taste. Now here's the first secret ingredient that I put into for my chicken pathia. There we go. Now you may be wondering what this is. This is onion paste. If you haven't tried it, give it a go. It's absolutely amazing. It just combines the flavours really well for this chicken pathia dish. Add some water, and it's warm water as well. And the onions are ready, so what we're going to do now is going to add our spices for chicken pathia. I'm going to start by adding half a turmeric powder. About 2.5 tablespoons of mixed curry powder, and then obviously we're going to add our chili to give it the heat. You can add as much as you want or as little as you want, individual taste, but that's generally what I would put in based on our 600 grams of chicken thighs. And what we're going to do now is really fry this masala into it, and I call this the bona fide. So what we're going to do here is really cook the spices really well. So leave it on medium to low heat and keep stirring as I'm doing so. We can add our fresh tomato. 1.5 chef spoon. We're going to get this cooked in now. Cooking at this spice generally should take at least about 10 minutes. The longer you cook it, the flavours are going to really come out really well. So just make sure you at least do this for 5 minutes. As soon as it dries up, we're going to add some water, tiny bit of water, and we're just going to cook the spices again. As soon as the masala is sticking to the pan, add a tiny bit of water. Cook the spices out again. Okay, so it's been about 6 to 8 minutes. What I'm going to do now is add the chicken. There we go. Add some water if the spice catches to the pan. Turn the heat down to medium. Put the lid on, and I'm going to wait for the chicken to be half cooked. Now the chicken for our chicken pathia is half cooked, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to add the chilies. I'm also going to serve the tamarind sauce. So just to give you an idea, tamarind sauce, we've probably got 1 chef spoon and 1/4. So we're going to sieve it through. And this tamarind sauce will give it the tangy flavour. Now, if you do go out and buy the tamarind pods, you can get them sweet tamarind or the sour tamarind. So you want to get the tangy sour one, because chicken pathia is sweet, sour and hot, and we're using tamarind to make it tangy for us. But we've still got some more secret ingredients coming up, so stay tuned. There you go. Wow, look at that. Amazing. Smells absolutely amazing, guys. This is home cooked chicken pathia. It's how I cook it for the family. It's absolutely amazing. What we're going to do now is add our mango chutney to make it sweet. And again, you can use to your taste. What I would suggest you do is add some. I've added 2 teaspoons of it, and what you can do is taste it once it's all cooked through. And if you want more, you can add more. And add a tiny bit of water. This serving will be for 2 people easily. We're almost there now, so I'm going to add some tomato to a chicken pathia. Right, there we go, guys. This is chicken pathia, all ready for serving. Now I did promise you some secret ingredients, so this is the next part we're going to do now. You can have it as it is, like this. What I'm going to do is show you how we make this at home. The chicken pathia. Wow, that smells absolutely amazing. So I'm going to move that here for a second. This is what makes this chicken pathia absolutely amazing. Now, if you like heat, this is going to be for you. So I'm going to add some dried chili flakes. Okay, add to your taste. I'll start about half a tablespoon or teaspoon like that. And I'm also going to add some methi. I'm just going to cut this out. Well, now you can start. You can smell the chili flakes and all that's cooked. So what we're going to do is put this back here. That's amazing. Now this secret is going to make this absolutely amazing. There we go, guys, that's your chicken pathia done. Hope you enjoy this. Hey guys, it's Babel here from the Bengali Cook. Thanks ever so much for watching our videos, and listen up, please like and subscribe to our channels using the link below, and of course remember to set those notifications.